Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shailesh Karkwal, and I'm CEO. I'm CEO and co-founder of EnvironSense. EnvironSense is a spin-off from NUS, and we have been working very closely with PUB for new water protection. Today, I'm here to showcase our unique smart sensor solution, which is able to detect bacterial contamination online in the water stored in ships. Bacterial contamination is a real serious issue, however, have been overlooked largely, and we have to, now it's time to act proactively after COVID-19 pandemic. If bacterial contamination happens in the drinking water stored in the ship, there are chances of rapid outbreak and severe diseases. Therefore, MLC and WHO has stringent guidelines to imposed on against the bacterial contamination, and there are some upcoming guidelines by BWMC for bacterial contamination in ballast water. So what marine industry basically require is a rapid online automated bacterial contamination sensor system which is able to detect bacterial contamination in onboard vessel itself. However, currently available technologies and methods lack this capability. I2BACT-S, which is Intelligent Integrated Bacteria Sensor System, is able to do online measurement of bacterial contamination in 20 minutes in onboard vessel through 3 simple steps of filtration, staining, and colorimetric analysis. It always provides pre-warning alert to the authorities whenever it is required. I2BACT-S has superiority in comparison to other technology because it is rapid. We can detect bacteria contamination in 20 minutes. It is highly reproducible, so it's quite reliable. It is highly sensitive, and the best thing is the cost is too low in comparison to other technologies. EnvironSense has a proven track record in real-time water quality monitoring. In Singapore, we have installed 100 over units for monitoring the sewer water quality in Singapore. And through these capabilities, we have been awarded internationally and regionally. We foresee a huge potential of this technology globally because over 70,000 ships sails globally, and as per the MPA data, in every 2 to 3 minutes in Singapore, either one ship either arrives or leaves Singapore port. So there is huge potential. Our revenue model is quite flexible. Either we can sell or lease our technology or our product to our customers, and we are looking forward for like-minded partners. So what we have to offer is a rapid online automated sensor system which is able to detect bacteria in onboard vessels and could be customized. Our asset is our highly experienced Singapore team, which include Professor Hao Yong, who is Director of NUS Environmental Research Institute. Me, I have been in 10 over years in this industry, and Trung, who is expertise in automation and process control. That's all about me. Thanks.